everyone, my name is Brittany and today I want to show you how to make the most delicious butter pecan cookies. They're ready in a snap and I can't wait to share them with you.
To start this recipe, we're going to brown the butter. So I've got 1 stick of unsalted butter here and I'm going to cook this on a medium to high heat. It's going to start making all of this little frothy stuff on top, and then it's going to cook down and all of that froth and fat is going to start browning and it's going to smell amazing. I'm going to pour that into a bowl and set that aside so it can cool off, but don't throw your pan away just yet. We're going to take our pecans and we're going to toast them in this pan so we can get all of that brown butter and get a nice scent and it'll be delicious in our cookies. Give those a nice toss. You don't want to burn them, so you just want to cook them until they're fragrant and then set them aside to cool off. My brown butter has cooled off a little and I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of brown sugar and give that a mix with my hand mixer. The sugar is also going to help cool down your brown butter so it'll be ready for your eggs in the next step. So I've got 1 whole egg, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to give this a blend until it is nice and incorporated. It's going to get nice and fluffy and pretty like this. Then I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then our chopped and toasted pecans. And then I'm going to give this a blend until I can't see any more flour. You don't want to overmix, so be careful while mixing, but you want to make sure that you don't have any lumps at the bottom, check the sides, make sure you don't have any lumps of flour there and it's all nice and incorporated. Then I'm going to portion these out into 12 cookies, and then once I've got them balled up and ready to go, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator to chill for 20 minutes. While they're chilling, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these cookies for 12 minutes. I'm going to turn the tray halfway through and look at how they turned out.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching.